Hoy, over what if nag-away ra mo tungod sa
Dili,
mongdos?
I mean-
Inyuhang sala.
Inyo.
Huy, ayaw po.
Ay, sorry.
Huy,
Sa dili.
tutuig, hulwig.
Block from
You have the right
to
to remain silent. Like first date, sige uyab na ta. I like you so much. Let's date.
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
Game.
Hindi na ako mag-glasses, babe.
Mantali, ay, okay rin. Ano sa din mo.
Okay. Game na?
Hello. Okay.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Welcome to our very first podcast. Episode podcast, which is welcome to Ambot Lang Pod, the most
Walay
unscripted,
klaro.
walay klaro, nonsense podcast you could ever find in YouTube.
Relatable or anything.
But yeah, it's the truth and honestly
Yeah.
the truth.
Nahurot ng adjective, so
Yeah,
I'm gonna
wala na.
ask shoot a question. Shoot a question.
Shoot your shot.
So quick question: are you a red flag or a green flag? Frag.
I'm not a frog girl.
Before we dive into that, this will be our very first topic, which is the different flags in a relationship. Okay? Our first segment is like each of us will share our ambot lang moment of the week, which is anything lang
Yeah.
that happened throughout the week, or I don't know, anything.
Ako, ambot lang jud na ako, no. It's all about work. Na-stress ako, ambot lang jud. Like, daghan kayo people who don't use their common
Sense.
yes.
Yeah, so
That's about
common
it, ambot
sense.
lang. Because sometimes, you can't put a lot of energy on those kind of people.
True.
Because you can't really change them.
Yeah.
But yeah, ambot lang.
Ambot lang.
Every time I encounter nonsense,
Yeah.
non-common sense, ambot lang.
Yeah.
Ambot lang. That's mine. My
Mhm.
whole week, ambot lang. Right now.
True. So for me, ang amot lang moment of the week sin ako, it's all about work. Kaya wala naman may love life. So it's all about work. So wala lang. My ambot lang moment of the week ay a patient called me crazy for the very first time. In
You're
front.
crazy.
Ano siya? You're crazy. You flipped out. Sorry.
PG-13.
You flipped out. Ano siya na ako, guys. So, kaya ba ko akong ibuhat? Kaya ano ko na. Okay. So, what siya? In my mind, ambot lang yun. But, it's okay. Part of life. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God, akong ankle. Anyways.
Anyway.
Ato pagka-ADHD, no?
Anyway, so, ano na siya? Before tamo, daghan na ako before nga word. Uy, palay ko
After na
count.
pod.
Palay ko count. Pila na to ka before ako giingon.
1. Oh, before to. Oh, pila na to 2.
So, before 3, tamag dive sa atong topic. Kay first, we're gonna
Muswim sa ta.
swim. Shout out
Oh, no,
BTS.
klaro.
Go on, ganun. I'm gonna define all the flags according to whatever unsa to siya in a relationship.
There was
So,
only 3.
4.
Oh, 4. Sorry.
So-
Girl, imagine na. Wad jud lagay mi script.
Yeah, so walay amot lang guys. Bago naman sige nag-pop up nga na uso nga flags. Uy, sa una kay accept ba ni
Red
mo?
flags naman jud to.
Yeah, accept ba ni mo ang who he is?
Oy.
Char or who she is. Ina ba?
Who they are.
Yes, who them are. So anyway, ang first one is a red flag, which is a very common, a red flag is you don't date that person, like, kwan siya. For example, sa US na is stop sign. So, ang red flag daw kay,
Traffic
Stop.
light.
stop. Ayaw go, ayaw whatever, something like that. And then the next one is green flag kay, very dateable, very, you like that person, very, whatever. And then the next one is the yellow flag, which is, kanang ito sa soccer, kanang, di ba naman ay ibang hatag na flag sa mga players?
White flag man na dai.
No, na yellow. Kanang kuan ba?
Sorry, I don't play soccer.
Kanang si ex-boyfriend soccer player ba?
Ay,
So, of course,
ano?
di ba naman ihatag na, so sa players daw, is if ever na sila ibuhat kay, they give you a yellow flag as a warning sign first.
Yeah.
Kanang be cautious sa imong next nga buhaton
Oh,
kay.
really?
It's a warning sign.
You learn something every day.
It's like, kay naman nila different flags ihatag sa soccer. So, yellow flag is like, be careful, warning sign na nimo. So if ang next one na gyud kay red flag ni hatag. So and then the last one is ang beige flag. Nothing
Oh my
nothing
God, first time din ako makahear of beige
nothing
flag.
yeah, ako sad actually pagtanong sa ako mo dito tawag na, but ang beige flag daw, it's nothing that you have to worry about. It's just like ano daw, like very funny trait of a
Nothing list ani
person.
kaya kani based on what we think is
Yeah.
those characteristics
Yeah,
are.
so ang beige flag very ano lang daw, kanang unusual trait of your
I think
partner.
kuan siya. Beige flag is like mali siya or it's wrong, but like you're willing to stay because of love,
Like
or you might it's like tolerable.
yeah, like something
Like
na
tolerable
like
siya.
for you it's funny and then you tolerate that kind
Yeah,
of
it might be
flag and
bad.
then
It might be a red flag, but it's a beige flag for you because it's tolerable, I guess.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
what it means.
So yeah, mo to siya ang different flags in relationships. So red, yellow, beige, and then green. So what do you want to talk about first? First of all, guys, dako kaya kong milk tea.
Dili siya sponsor.
Di siya sponsored pero dako kaya kong milk tea. What do you want to talk about first?
Wala na ko'y ice. OMG. Starbucks sponsor us.
What do you want to talk about first? Like the easiest that you can talk about. Green
Let's go
flag.
sa green flag.
Yeah.
Kay murag, we don't get green flags as much as the other flags.
Yeah.
Okay. 5 each? Kung mo ni siya, teamwork ni siya, girl.
Yeah. For me, green flag, if kuan siya, very family oriented. Like
Yeah, especially mga Filipino, kay we're very family oriented.
yeah, for me, na family oriented or he's very close with the mom, like he treats the mom right, something
Ay,
like that.
ano mo to? Familiar. Ako ba?
Ah, okay.
Familiar.
Which one?
Familiar siya.
So muna siya very family oriented, very close with the family.
Yeah, I mean.
First green flag.
Okay, expound on it.
Wow, girl.
Example, oy, what is family orientation?
Dili for me, it's a very it's a very green flag kay if he treats his mom like very good or very like he respects the mom or whatever kay pakayon ka he's gonna treat me like that. Inana good.
But
Ingana
not
in a
necessarily,
sense.
no?
I know. So mo gani like for me nga na
Oh, you think that, it
Yeah.
would be the
so
same
that
thing kung nasa
nga
relationship.
para sa ako but if ever gani nga different ti ay but whatever mo na siya akong green flag first mo na akong like
Anyways, konsa ha, sideline. Kung hiwig yung camera, sorry.
i-bash na lang mi guys.
I-bash lang mi.
Okay
Kay
lang.
wajud mi kay bawani tanan.
Comment down below sa
Feel
need
dyan ako hiwi
improve.
siya pero wait, let me fix. That's the whole time. Sorry.
Sorry. So okay, bash number 1.
Oh, there you go. Oh, okay. Bash number 1.
No, green flag for you unsay green flag.
Green flag for me is a person who would remember every detail about you.
True. Oh my gosh. True. Like every little thing. That's true.
Hiwig yapon siya. Sorry, yun. Ang ADHD nako is not ADHD.
Guys, ana if we gani ana na mo pagtanaw ha. Kamo na lang adjust.
Adjust the camera.
Yeah.
Is it? Oh my god, whatever.
Is it?
I don't know.
I can see, but it's okay. Anyway,
Yeah,
kaya mo na siya.
Yeah,
Do you wanna explain?
I'm gonna explain. So like, kay Boka, sometimes you just want a person who would, kung mo yung kag something na, oh, ganahan ko rin chocolate, example lang, chocolate.
Yeah.
Like, you like a certain brand.
Mhm.
And what if Valentine's Day,
True.
and then yatagan kag chocolate nga, that was not the one that you like. Like, that's
true.
gonna like turn you off nga, oh, murag kay Bo naman ka nga, ganahan ko,
Murag
this chocolate.
is he not paying
Like
attention?
Toblerone.
Oh, like is he not paying attention?
yeah, like
ganun na.
murag ganahan kag lalaki or babae na murag
partner.
na would pay attention on what you like and what you don't like.
Yeah, true. I agree. Kay kana every little thing ba nga for example, like babe kanang palitan tika like whatever.
Babe, di mo tawag sa tanan mong kay kuan?
Dili po na Bob, but we're not gonna go into things. Sorry.
Ni-upgrade.
Bob, Baba B. Ano na ba? Anyway,
Papi.
Kuan, like, kana, for example, bitaw, mag-meet up mo and then he's gonna give you something like, oh, kana, ako nigi buy for you na flowers because I know you like this. Or like, palitan ti ka nga panyo because I know you like this. Palitan ti ka nga pastry because I know you like this. And na good?
Yeah,
Or,
mga simple little things.
yeah.
Mo nang green flag na ko.
An,
Si Prince Charming.
kanang,
Green from.
na ay, kanang mo communicate. Like, kanang same thing, every little thing he's gonna tell you, or kanang, basta mo communicate good nga kanang, uy, lakaw sa ako ha, but not necessarily nga, uy, kanang nisakay na ko sa angkas, uy, nisakay
Uy,
na
ganahan
ko,
ko, ana. Step by step, girl.
ana, or, uy,
Uy,
kanang,
nag-ilis na ko.
uy,
Uy, nagbutang ko
uy,
sapatos.
nagtagay mi, uy, naganang, ana, niinom na ko sa shot, uy, kanang, nalipong na ko.
Kanang good. Kanang wala ko dito, na ako dito. Kay imo gi step by step. Char. Toxic.
Toxic! Different topic, but na. Wala lang, green flag na for me, kaya at least baka nang communicate bito siya, like, without you asking for it. Na
Oh yeah, kana.
and
Mosad na. Kana
Like-
murag, you don't have to ask simple stuff.
Yeah. Like, kanang, a simple good morning, or kanang, a simple good morning, mabisi ko today, that's fine.
Hindi ko ganun ano. Ganun ko chikahan jud ko the whole day.
Yeah, but kanang, if dili gyud kaya
O
sa...
bakit clingy lang jud ko?
If dili kaya sa person, then why not, diba nga? Uy, lunch ay kanang babe, kuha na ko lunch break, and wali na happen, something like that. Then that's good. But not necessarily nga, over nga. Huy, padung na ko guan. Ano, huy, pero kanang dili good. Like, kanang at least ba communicate ng unsay mong gibuhat ana na
The day.
day. That's, ano for me, that's
I
a
think
green flag.
that first talaga per person.
Yeah.
Because sometimes, that could be very choking.
No, not
Suffocating. There you go.
Yes.
That's the word. Choking-ating.
Choking.
Choking.
Kana, unsa pa? Unsa other green
Please
flag?
sponsor us.
No, Jude. Give me one
Choking.
with Chowfan. Ang
I want
Chowfan.
choking. Oh my
wait,
God.
ang Chowfan si Jersey. Kibuli
By the way, naami dire sa New York. So,
wala sa New York, girl. It's in Jersey.
kita ba?
Choking?
Kita na ta sa New York. Oh. Girl!
Sorry. Wala ko silang balay, guys. Namin sa New York.
Naami sa New
Anyway,
York. So, choking.
choking. Bitaw. Open
Jollibee
mo.
mo na siya.
Yeah, but ilang choking diri kay wala ni lami.
Wad you lami?
Ang chow fan, girl. Kay
Sorry, why chow fan man?
Naay chow fan sa Jersey City. Gidala ko dito para makakount kong chow fan.
Oh, right. Kasi akong ganahan beef chow fan. Pork chow fan ang narito.
Wala lami. Even ang siomai, it's
Oh,
not,
yeah. Nasa siomai sa...
it's not giving.
Actually, even the same sa Sacramento. O siya lami.
Di ba? Why, klaro nga podcast.
lami.
Naabot na og going back.
Going back to the topic.
So, ikaw, unsa pa yung green flag for you?
Caring. Or honest na lang. Same, caring and honest.
True.
Honest to an extent nga.
Who got girl?
Like, kanang walay hidden agendas or whatever. Inana.
Kana?
Yeah, which is very difficult to find nowadays.
True. Kuan. So, unsa naman to ang first kay? Family-oriented? Mag-communicate? Ano ba itong sunod? What did you say?
Mag-communicate dito.
Ako ngayon. Ay, what did you say?
Imuha.
Yeah, mag-communicate.
Ako kay kuan.
Honest and caring.
Honest and caring. Ang usa kay kuan ng... What ko? Sorry.
Sense of aging, girl.
Short-term memory loss.
The green flag is mo effort. Mo effort. It is a green
Unlike
flag.
what terms na effort? Kaya may effort ba ya?
Mo effort, like, the bare minimum effort.
Girl, manata ng bare minimum.
No,
Kaya
no,
ko
no,
bare
no, like,
maximum.
dili ba, like, bare minimum nga, katuloy kong gingon nga, you don't have to ask for it. Like, for example,
Connected na siya last time.
no ba, like, kanang bare minimum, bitaw nga kanang, makaingon
Oy,
ka
pero
ba?
ipakita sa imong mga stars. Tanawa. Dagan ka siya stars. Basta siya
Parihan,
nagpaog shooting star.
Huy, parang ko dili. Yellow
Di,
star
yellow
na
na,
siya.
day.
Ay, mag-bash kay, na pimples, lahi ang air,
Di mo
air diri.
makita.
Na air diri. Basta na ako yung star. Starface sponsor me. Ano ba? Kanang mo effort, like, kanang dili na bitaw kinahanglan nga i-ask. Kanang dili good bare minimum imong gipangayo. But for us nga, kanang, di naman kailangan ipangayo good. Like, you should know.
More expected siya in a
Yeah,
relationship,
expected
I
na
guess.
siya na, kanang, dapat
Pero karon kay di
buhaton.
mo sa ginana.
Huh?
Di mo sa ginana mo do anything at all.
Mo gani, so it's a green flag for me. So if not, if di mo buhat ana, dili na ta mo.
So, ano tayo mauyaban ni Day?
It's okay. Okay ra.
Single blessed.
Huy, ayaw po.
Ay, sorry.
Huy,
Sa
tutuig, Holy Week ba?
Holy Week deron. Knock.
Tutuig, but kana, ayaw pa na sigub the sadness. Uy, kay, gitagan na gitag, kay bawa na ang ato mga husbands diha, kay grabe og pagampo kay, og pag-manifest kay, wag gud mi kauyab hantod ron guys, kay,
Oh, yeah, akong last kay, mo to. Pero,
don't overshare.
yeah, sometimes, when we touch,
I
the
like it
eyes-
so much,
Ay,
so
chika,
much.
chika.
Anyway, napakalain or you wanna go to
Let's go to Jockey.
different flag na? If,
Different flag. Napapawala yung green card. At least dili ko. Green frog.
next.
Next, what's next?
No, hindi mo green flag.
Green flag. Can remember na ako sa second na akong gingon.
What?
That remembers every detail about you.
Yes. Oh my gosh, kamot ko
Kana.
na.
Ang third na ako would be, sa third na ako, ha? Let's say,
Apa ka?
napalagi. It's like at the tip of my tongue.
Consistent?
Pwede, ikaw man na, di ba?
I don't know.
Mo na yung gingon nina. Well, yeah, I guess consistency.
Mm-hmm. Kay bati nang mo cold lang in the middle of the relationship,
That's so
guys.
true. Kanang consistency akong gusto nga kanang gumurag di lang good ang good morning niya from the first few months.
Yeah, like what he was before, like kanang like pursuing you, dapat he should be the same, like
Mhm.
in a relationship.
I mean, not
like,
the same na everyday na nimo siya good morning, pero like
Hoy,
or-
dapat po bang everyday po ba good morning? Grabe po.
hantod magkasal na mo.
Igmata din mo.
So magkasal na mo, say mo bed, mo text siya nimo good morning.
Dili, girl in front ba? So, wait lang.
Sige mo text ko nimo. Good
Wait,
morning.
dili text, but na mata ninyo, alam di ay, diba, good morning.
Okay sa ko mo na.
So, muna lang good morning.
Okay, bako ba. Oh, morning. Morning. Di pwede mo good morning.
Anyway.
Kisra. Dili na pag sa chicks. Parang like,
Familiar?
kinsa mo na.
I don't know.
Wala ako.
Just asking. Okay, next
Next
flag.
flag.
What is
Let's do yellow.
it? Yellow.
Yellow. May pang beige pag himog orange.
Bati man. Dili, I think beige siya kay it can either ang different colors, mura big mo darken ang beige.
So black frog na siya. Black frog.
Dili ba, like, basin mo ilang, I don't know why they named it beige flag, pero parang ako kay mo darken ba ya ang beige or pwede siya mo lighter? I don't know, that's my,
That's your take on that topic?
yes, on definition. It
So
can,
take it.
it can either be darker or lighter. Maybe that's why beige. So anyway, yellow flag lagi daw mi
Sige,
guys.
yellow,
Unsa
yellow.
man?
I don't know what's yellow.
It's a warning sign.
Okay, na usa.
Unsa?
Easy ra ni. Kani good. Di ko ganahan good ani.
What?
I get yellow. Oh, yellow pa ni siya. Dili pa ni siya nakagrabe pero like di siya big offense. Kanang mo yung good night. Na-stuck yun na ako. Kanang good night and then kauman kunuhay matug na sila and then they're on Instagram online or Facebook online. I mean, nothing wrong about it kasi sometimes I do that. Nga kanang
Mhm.
I say good night and then well I'm just on my phone because I want to watch videos. But na times good nga mo good night ang usa ka tawo na siya lain ka chat.
Hoy, so mo na siya that's true kay kuan man siya kay ang yellow flag biya kay be cautious around that like
Kanang mo good night niya online pa
nga
tanan.
person.
Or kanang good night nga ma-off tanan, completely off tanan, meaning gi-off ni ang active.
As an overthinker.
Certified overthinker.
Yeah, as an overthinker.
Girl.
What's up ay
Kanang mo good night, yung mo tug dali store.
Hoy, ganong hugot.
Dili hugot. Example na to. Like, imagine, yung good night nako, and then igawas pa ka.
What if kuan di ay?
Emergency.
What if lang kipalit nakalimot siya palit nga ay kalimot siya kailangan di siya cartolina.
Wait siya nako nga,
Cartolina.
Manila paper.
Oh.
Wait siya nako, okay, mulakaw day ko.
True.
Like, good night, daan. Pero mulakaw day ko before ko matug kay Mupalit ko blah 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 blah.
No, but what if mo good night and then here comes, for example, ni good night siya at 10 p.m. And then here comes 1 a.m. Babe, gikan ni ko gawa si patong cartolina.
Ay, wala na ni palit og cartolina, girl. Kana klaro kay na 1 a.m. Asa ba ka palit og cartolina?
Sa kuan, sa National Bookstore.
Dahil close na dahil.
Nagline si Kuya daan.
Until 1 a.m. Kaya dahil ko andito ang Blackpink.
Ano? True.
Dili dahil.
Bitaw, dapat,
Kana, ang
Dapat
kana,
careful.
mo dyan, dako kay naghugot na ako.
yeah.
Kaya
Yan ang
mag-good
bubog,
night.
guys.
Bubog!
Oo. Tinood man sad kay sometimes kay tungod
Balik ta sa green flag, di ba di sila honest? Inana siya.
yeah. Yeah, true kay what if ba kanang gi-tolerate ni magmaya nga ay okay rin niya nga mo
Mhm.
good night ko. So I can do
Well,
anything.
Not to like being strict about it. Kay murag, yes, pwede ka mo yung good night. And then, all of a sudden, may mga emergencies or like you have something na nadyo ka na forget
Yeah.
to do. I
And
mean,
that's fine.
di ba ka bayran sa phone ni, di ka pa bayran sa imong phone kung text ka na kog, ay, nakoy nalimtan, I'll be busy for a bit.
Yeah, you know why it's bubog sad for us kay it's so easy for us ba nga natug ay wait lang mo mata ingnon sa din ako siya nga I have to do
I guess
this.
like, that's what I would do
Yeah. Mo
in
nang
that cases.
mo nang siya very
Unless na ako'y kalagot ni mo, may kung mo good night, yun akong text ni mo.
yeah. But yeah, mo nang siya, bubog siya kay we can do it for that person, but why can't you do it for us?
No
Diba?
reciprocation.
Yes,
Mo na
spell.
mag-reciprocity na
Spell.
ta parang Las Vegas.
Spell.
Credentialing.
Okay, anyway, ang ako is kanang unsa to gana?
Mapilit siya.
Dili siya pilit, madam. Ay, usa kay wala pa na. Fully pulled na siya, di pa na fully fade. Ay, fully paid na day.
Oh, sige.
Ayaw ba? Ayaw wala case. Ayaw ba? Anyway,
Case.
na case lagi per lisod gi silicone. Lisod gi maibot.
Muna ako na ginana.
Mo gani kalagot.
Kapoy kay na, ambot asa na ako inana. Ako mga silicone, gikapoy na jud ko. Sakto gini mong gingon. Hatod garo ako ang road. Road
Di ba?
wear.
Anak ko ni mo, kapoy lagi
Wait,
silicone.
but I like the lip plumper. Is it? No, lip gloss.
Lip peptide?
Lip
Lip something.
something.
Kuan.
So back to the topic.
Back to the topic. Kuan. Kanang guys. Kanang na may baggage sa past relationship.
Yellow, number red man ha.
That's a yellow. Kaya you can easily stop it. Kung makaingon ka, ay, mag-date mo. Ay, pwede siya ka-move on. Siyang ex. That's a yellow flag. You have to be cautious kay.
Masama ang pagkibaw nimo.
No, kay like, di lang biya mo mag-uyab dito sa ma'am. Like, first date, sige, uyab na ta. I like you so much. That's date.
Oh, sorry.
Oh. Inga na ba? Like, kanang, you have the right to remain silent. Dili, like, you have every right to stop that. You have every right to stop
Forget
that,
the no.
you have paulit-ulit! You have the right to stop that, like, kanang from blooming?
Blue, to make that relationship bloom.
Yeah, because you can never tell that person nga, wait lang, pag move on sa simong ex-B.
You can.
No, girl,
I
but
did that.
they can, sige, mo naman, sige, I will, but all throughout the relationship, nga giwar na day, yellow flag day siya, but mo nang mahimo siyang red flag. Imong sala, kay imong gi-tolerate. Dili imuhang. Inyuhang sala.
Inyo.
Kay ganun
Kami
gi-tolerate.
wa mi nag-tolerate ana.
Mo,
Last year.
Jud. 2 years ago siguro. Pero dili karon.
Pero
Pero
karon.
nga na ba, like, kanang napa siya past baggage yung relationship niya. Imong gisugot,
Mm.
di pwede, uy. You have to know your worth. Chareng!
Priceless.
Yes. May dog worthless.
Girl, whisper ka na sa mic gapon.
Anyway, next, like, one more na lang. One more yellow flag.
Each ha, one more each.
One more each.
Ikaw daw ko na think.
Yeah, kanang be careful. Kaya nga na sila, kanang kuan mo, avoid og confrontation.
Oh my God, mo to akong ingon. Sige, go.
Mo avoid og confrontation. Kaya, sige, ikaw lang, expand.
Ikaw na explore, ikaw na sulti.
Ikaw lang.
Adik ko.
Ano mo ka?
Adik ko.
Ano mo ka? May
Mo
ingon
na
sa
avoid the confrontation.
Muna ang bing. Kuan, like, kanang i-brush off ra ba?
girl, na jud ko na date na good.
Yeah, like
Mo
i-brush.
brush off like ang di na ko gusto gyud. Ay mo correlate siya nimo.
Nako!
Na sa imong gisulti ba? I mean.
Okay. Ewan ko.
Nga mo brush off anang mga conflicts and everything or like dili mo face og conflicts. Kanang what I hate kung I'm in a relationship if we're fighting is matug ta nga nag-away.
Mhm.
I never liked that. Even I don't know if I learned that sa akong parents or something
Yeah.
or some way nga mao gid na akong comfortable with. Di ko ganahan nga matug ko nga naglagot ko nimo.
Yeah, but you can never.
No, like
Yeah. I get that.
I mean, naglagot gyapon ko nimo pero like I think gusto ko matulog nga nag-confront about it. It won't be fixed right then and there. But at least
you-
nakastorya ta what is it about?
But at least
what
you guys
can we do
processed.
about it?
I-process.
Napabay padulngan ni nga relationship.
Hoy, over what if nag-away ra mo tungod sa
Dili,
monggos?
I mean, napabay padulngan ang relationship. Monggos, di ka kiba mo palungag sa mulungag daw.
Kuan ka ng lata. Lata ba na?
Nataok mo gid ang monggos.
O ka na, mo gani. Dili lungag, girl. Whatever. Anyway, nga monggos.
Pabukalan.
Kana.
There you go.
Anyway, good.
Boil the beans.
Yeah, true. Going back.
Mongo beans. I love it. That's my favorite dish. Mongo beans. Yeah. Inanamar ka ng, I don't want to go to sleep kung dili ma-fix ang certain, or like partly fix. Like, yes, we can talk about it after matulog ta, but like, it's better na we would talk about it initially.
Yeah.
What happened. And reconvene later on. When we wake up.
Elaborate.
And
Reconvene.
good morning with a...
Elaborate on recon...
Kadili po ni... Kay ang baho.
Gagi. Pero, anyway, true na. As
Mo
in,
na siya. Ang
ay,
confrontation.
kaya na ko nabasa sa TikTok, I think
Mm.
gabi ito na you don't wanna go to bed na suko ba?
Yeah.
But if you really can't kanang talk to that person or anything, kay do something nga, imo lang good like mag-journal ka.
like,
Like,
hindi ako gano'n na, I'm so green-minded.
Oh, dili! Like, kanang you write about it, basta kay gusto lang ka, kay ikaw man lang alkansi, cause if that partner won't kanang do the same for you, nga,
Yeah.
makigstorya, ikaw ang
That's the
pwede.
thing.
Yeah.
So, kung kadungog mo sa kang Ariana nga song, nakatong The Ordinary. The Ordinary!
The ordinary.
Ordinary!
Hoy, si...
Huh?
Kinsa man na ang ordinary. You said that you were gonna use that as your wedding
Hoy,
song.
No!
The ordinary. Anyway, continue. Kay ako rangi nakabasa ko sa TikTok actually. Ako tong gi-save kay if that person like can't do the same for you, then ikaw ang pwede like you're gonna suffer like
Somebody a song.
ang kasuko nimo like imong anger, imong sadness kay it will be in your nervous system, like it will be in your body.
Ordinary things. Ang nona niya,
Okay.
kasi yung nona naingon to nga, don't ever go to sleep kanang murag you're in a quarrel or something.
Yeah.
And if he can't or she can't like
do the same. Like,
do the same or you know the mentality is not the same,
yeah.
get out of that relationship. That's
Yeah.
not for you.
Yeah.
Because it's gonna be happening all throughout. Even if you guys get married, you got kids, even if you're older, that's gonna be their personality all
Yeah,
throughout.
that's why see diba
And-
yellow gani.
Yeah, it's up to you. Yeah, it's up to you if you're gonna willing to stay para lang ana, which imuhang mental health always gonna be
Unstable.
decreasing.
Unstable. Yeah, mo na siya kung gingon kay kanang your sadness, your anger, your everything that you felt like through that fight or whatever ang imong go through. If dili nimo siya ipagawa sa imong nervous system, dili ka makatug, madam.
Di
So-
lang, mag-shake na
Oh,
ka.
like kanang-
Mura kang drug addict.
Mura ka hypervented and everything. So like do what you have to like kanang imo bang i-journal, whatever, like anything. Para lang dili, but you're not gonna forget about that emotion. You're gonna process it the next day. Daw ana si ate girl. Kay which is true. Kay if dili mo ma-process by yourself and your partner won't do that for you, then
Yeah,
wala
I think,
mag
yeah.
ana ka.
Maganga ka girl, pero hindi ka mo hilak like me.
Hi.
While pooping. We can't be
Yeah.
friends.
So kana ang manato imong
Mano to, i-join na lang to.
Okay,
Moto,
yeah.
3 yellow
yellow
flags.
flags.
Frogs.
Wala siya. 3 yellow frogs. Frogs.
Ibutan na ito dito.
Ang mga
Different frogs
ibon.
of...
Oh, palag maybe. Char mo yung viewers. But, okay. Anyway, next one. Beige.
Sige, beige.
Oh, no. Dili man,
Mas dili ko kabuan yun.
dili man kailangan, kuan man siya, dili kailangan negative siya at first. Kay ang beige flag daw is like something funny, something unusual for you. Nga, for example, imong partner, di ko yung ano pero nagkatawa ko. Ano ba? Very unusual for you nga traits imong partner. Like, pwede siya, like, para ni mo, magtiniil siya maglakaw sa balay. Ikaw di ay kay, kanang, gusto ko magchinilas.
Dili siya, doesn't make sense. Let me search.
Mga beige flag ba? Nga funny, like, ang unusual sa imong partner nga you find it funny. Nga beige flag. Unsa?
Boring.
Mhm.
In a way na boring sa conversations. Oh my God, conversation ang boring.
Like
I don't know nga nung i-flag pa ni mo, di ka mag-date, ana.
Oo, kana, beige flag. Mo gani, it's, mura man siya, ano guys, murag, flag good before ka mo go sa, kanang, okay na ni siyang flag, kanang, you know.
So, ate mas okay, yellow or beige?
I think beige.
No, I think yellow.
Yellow? Yellow is supposed to be your warning sign.
Ay, girl. Wrong ato. Rewind.
No. Sakto ato yung yun. Beige flag is kanang mga, kanang laging unusual. Unusual for you. Like, for example, kuan sila, kanang, dugay mo reply.
Di ba unusual?
No.
That's yellow flag, girl.
No. Beige flag siya.
Yellow na.
Sige, mag-away na may guys.
I-red na ako gani.
Dugay mo reply.
I-red na para na ako.
Sige, siya mo ingon ko ha niya, siya mo ingon sa
flag.
sa flag.
Enumeration.
Enumeration ni siya.
Matching.
Kuan kanang unsa man ha? Dry.
Kabaw na ko. Unusual.
Yeah.
A person who eats a lot of onions or garlic. Unusual mo ka. Beige
Yeah,
flag
that's
na.
your beige flag.
Like manimako yung
Kaya you
baba.
choose to
Imagine.
Kaya you choose to accept that.
I did. Oh!
I did. Dili, I will. So, nahitabo.
Of course. Sabo. Shh.
Si Kuan.
Word,
Duwe
hard.
bayo! Or dili?
Si Bad Bunny?
Si Baile?
Kisa mo, eh.
I don't know.
Basta. Inana. O sige, inana. Mga quirks.
Oh, yeah. Same routine every day. You would date that guy?
Oh.
Kuan daw. Basta ka na, ang beige flag man good is like, kuan daw, ang yellow flag daw, kay mo ni ang, this is my warning, but it's up to you if you date me. Ang beige flag is kanang, this is me. It's up, kanang date me, but this is me. Ana ba?
Yeah.
Nga na ang concept sa, I don't know how,
So,
basa
yeah.
na.
So, I guess what, oh my God, my contact.
Oo kay basa concept, but boto akong pagsabot ba sa according sa flags. So, kana,
Last one is
the most common.
red
Red
flag.
flag.
Okay. Nakot ko red flag noon.
Nga naman. Red flag. Daghan kayo,
Red
oy.
flag, who cheats.
How many times?
Ikaw? Ako, unlimited. Muro siya naka-load og kuan globe day. Unlimited.
Sige, since you talked about cheating, until when ka magpapakatanga for that?
When I was younger, 4 years, unlimited cheat. So,
true.
mark here si girl.
Yeah.
But now I'm older, I know my worth.
Amen.
So if ever
As you should.
one sense of cheating, you let it go. It's
Yeah.
not easy. Magmauibi ka sometimes, but
Mhm. Diba? Maseryoso mo topic, guys. Basta red flag ang topic.
kaya
Eh.
tinuod naman siya.
Yeah, very ano mo
Yeah,
siya.
pero kung mo cheat gay siya or like 1 inch of sense nga na cheat, even if he says it's not true,
Yeah.
and your gut feeling is always telling you
May
the right
ganaganaan
thing.
akong heart
Yeah,
pag ano sa cheating.
you cut it off. For your own peace of mind, we are getting older after all.
Yeah.
Everybody's getting older. Don't settle for less.
Yeah.
You know, you can't find the perfect one, but you know, as you said, tolerable
Pa siya,
flags
yeah.
can
Tolerable.
be, but cheating,
Huy, murag
it will never be tolerable.
Akong vision baka murag. Ana pag yun sa
Cause
cheating.
murag kag si Kuan ka nang sa Disney ba katong murag
That's so
Raven.
Raven.
Girl, makat off na to
Ay, sorry,
monetization.
Bitaw, mo na siya ang biggest red flag of all on cheating.
Yeah, that's like top one. Top
Yeah,
one?
but nabi ko na micro cheating, na emotional cheating, na everything. Mo na ang pinaka over nga.
By the way, Sabrina Carpintero,
Yeah, kay mo na how
I love you.
so ang 4 years no. Like dili not like the entire relationship like kapila ka kano sa ka mo stop. Like for example, he did it once and then okay, I'm gonna forgive you.
It depends on what kind of cheating.
Mo
There's
gani,
an
that's what I
emotional
said.
cheating, physical cheating. Oh, that's mainly the two kinds. I would be fine with physical cheating.
No way.
No. If i-compare ni mong duha,
Yeah.
if I have to choose, which I don't want to choose, and
Amen.
I would not want to settle for that. But if I have to choose, which one is the lesser evil,
Physical?
verbal or physical,
Yeah.
I would choose physical, which I don't want for myself or for anybody. But if you have to choose, because like, go verbal.
Emotional. He meant
Emotional. Kung emotional, it's just more, deep. Like,
Yeah.
you tell me you love me, but you love somebody else too.
Yeah.
It's kind of, I don't know. I don't know how to explain it, but like, if it's physical, it's just
a one-time
lust.
thing. Yeah.
It's
No,
like,
no.
just you just want to get it off
Mhm.
your whatever, your hormones, raging hormones. But like,
Yeah.
if we're in a relationship, especially if we're married or in a full-blown serious relationship, I would not want emotional cheating.
Yeah, because for physical, okay, it can be like a one night. Like
It could be just horny siya.
Yeah, yeah.
That's about it.
Or like, oh my gosh, like I kissed this girl, but
Yeah, but it's not that, I would tolerate that, but it's better than having emotional cheating.
emotional cheating. Grabe.
Because that's the biggest lie ever.
Yeah.
Why would you say I love you to my face and then nadikailain ka I love you pud?
Yeah.
Other than the physical stuff. Doesn't make
Yeah.
sense.
That's true. Kay mo na-ask rin ako kay, kay it's so easy to say na. So it's like for me ha, like even after, like even before, makayan ko nga, sus, akong ano yun, ito non-negotiable is like when you cheat on me. Parang non-negotiable kay siya nga, ay wala na, if mag-cheat ka na, wala na, di na ito magbalik.
Pero when you love someone,
yeah.
you go blind. I guess tinood yun ng love is blind, but you make yourself blind.
Yeah. Kay, like, it's so easy for us, wala na, buwag na kita, but then, you're kanang sige, unsa man mo explanation. Like, why did you do it? Like, instead of like processing he cheated on you kay murag, gikuan pa nimo sa imong mind ba nga, mo siguro nag-cheat siya kay ngani. Kay imo man allowed to explain. Like, imong wala gina di ta ka-realize before pa.
Murag imo siyang hatagag excuse
Mm-hmm.
on your own. You gaslighted yourself. That's another one.
Gaslighting.
Yeah, gaslighters. Which I am a
Professional gaslighter.
Well, I gaslight the gaslighters.
Yeah.
So, put fire on fire,
Mm-hmm.
you will have a campfire.
Unsa man doon?
It rhymes.
So, like cheating, mo gini number 1. Ang number 2 is katong sa to, gaslighting.
Gaslighters.
Ang 3, kay para na ako siguro red flag na nga, di kayo pailila sa parents or sa family.
Dili siya red
Parents
flag.
siguro, parents lang. No, but why would you hide me? Why would you hide a relationship?
I think that's like a yellow flag.
Hiding? Girl, what if nag-propose na si kuya but wala di siya?
Like what if you're still in the stage of getting to know each other?
No, but mo gani like kanang
Which I was.
like pila ka years nga makaingon ka nga sige pailila na tika. Pila.
The thing is, in psychology, which we took psychology in
Mhm.
college.
Yeah.
you
Which
can
was how
never
many
fully-
years pa ago?
Mhm. You'll never ever will ever know a person. Even kita mga friends, like we
Yeah.
we still find out some stuff that you didn't know that was me or that was you, or in general.
Yeah,
We are
true.
an evolving
Mm-hmm.
genetic composition.
Yeah, like for example, in a relationship or in marriage, okay, you're still learning about that person every
Yeah.
day.
Yes, every day, every single
Every day
day,
you
we
learn
are
something
always
new.
changing. Yeah, we're always changing our
Cause
personal
the only thing that's constant in this world is what?
life. Ah,
The only thing that's constant in this world is
God.
true, amen. But change.
I'll change. Sorry.
Kana change mo gina.
See,
So
God
you
is the only one.
dili ako pasabot ba
I
kay
sorry.
dili ka na dili. Yes, he's the way, the truth, and the life, but kanang ang constant good is kanang
Next
change
time,
kay
praise and worship
kanang
ta.
basta you learn about the person every day, like ingani di siya the way it's the way kaya ingani di siya mo react, ingani siya mo
Yeah. It's
it's
sa team game question gani? I forgot.
oh my gosh, ako po.
Hala, wala gyud mga degenerate.
No, ako gingon kay ang like dili pa ilila sa parents.
Lagi.
How long? How long?
Would you wait
Yeah.
the good amount for me, which I did already to myself, 2 to 3 months. You know what? My defense on that, it's better na imong family would know who you're dating, cause at least it's not like they have a say on your relationship, but it's an outside look. Cause
Yeah.
you can, as I said, you can be love is blind.
Yeah.
So
Love
it's
is like
better in certain circumstances. It depends per person. I guess I'm more comfortable of telling my parents na I'm dating someone,
yeah.
because I would want their feedback on stuff,
Mhm.
not to like confirm that I like they don't like him, and then turns out he's a good guy.
Yeah.
Even if they don't like him, I would still date him.
Yeah.
It's not. It doesn't matter. It's just an outside look.
Yeah.
On the relationship,
Mhm.
other than your friends.
They're always gonna have a say, but
Yeah.
it's at the end of the day, good night. Charot.
Yeah.
At the end of good night.
Do
At
not
the,
disturb.
at the end of the
DND.
day, kana it's up to you. Like
It's up to you, yes, but it's nice kasi like
Tagalog.
meron talagang may mga stuff talaga.
Sige, girl, go.
Continue na ni siya.
Oh, grabe, bilingual, multilingual, everylingual.
Yo no sé.
Unsa na to? Unsa na? Unsa
Diyan
na?
na sé pa.
Unsa to? Unsa na yung gingon?
Unsa?
Ati,
Ay, hala, nawa na.
basta at the end of the day,
At
it's
the end
up
of the
to
day,
you.
it's up to you. It's nice to have an outlook on the relationship, an outsider that would
Kanang
tell
ilang
you,
perspective, like
the real truth of what they think about the person. But at the end of the day, it's what you tolerate.
yeah,
Because
true.
in life, you pick your own poison.
You pick your own battles.
Yes, that too.
Yeah.
It's another one, but yeah.
Yes. Ang another red flag kanang for me kanang ikaw na sige adjust. I don't like that.
Okay na ko, adjustable mo ko.
Dili, but wait lang. Kanang kuan, wala kanang kapoy sige adjust uy. Kanang in a sense
Adjust
na
yung
murag-
schedule?
Hindi anything.
Actually, yeah, adjust yung schedule. That's like a big thing
Like
for me.
imo
too.
schedule like kanang for example nagplano na mo and then turns out like oh babe never mind kay kuan
Oh
di
my
ay.
God. Flashbacks.
Like never mind kay nani din like the first time okay sige like why but then like if consistent na nga kanang ako na like sige adjust uy nga nang
Dili ko ka-realize na sometimes.
we're never gonna realize that until naum na uy nahuman na.
Yeah, karon ako ka-realize.
Ano na,
actually.
like, kanang, ako lagi sig adjust. Like, for example, uy, mag-meet ani, like, kanang 12 noon na lang lunchtime or akong free time. Ay, babe, napamikuan. O, sige, hapon na lang. Ay, babe, OA na. Sige, adjust ba?
Girl, nag-adjust ko million times.
Mo gani, like, it's very red flag na it's so easy for your partner to say na, sige lang, uy, musabot ka ni siya. It's so bad nga they think that way kay dapat dili nga na, uy. Kana dapat like constant ang like kana equal ang efforts ba
Yeah.
dili gyud
Like, mutual
yeah kay
efforts.
if it's just you like for example like kaming duha like kami risking efforts sa relationship so makana kapuyon pud mi guys but dugay
Ako
mi
actually, 4 years, wako
pero dugay
gikapoy.
mi maka-realize nga grabe ani oy
For at least ako 4. But there are some na
Yeah.
lifetime mo adjust for a lifetime.
Yeah. Kuan, actually, tinuod kay dugay po ko naka-release ato guys. Like after
Ina sa daday na hurot na akong
nainom na
Starbucks day.
ko, nainom na ko.
Murag day nilanay na day.
Like kanang after sa relationship na after sa
Tagay.
pagbulag ba? Pagbulag kay pag break up na kay grabiha day no. Like kanang ako na day to tanan. And not like necessarily nga it was just you alone pero makaingon ka ba nga throughout that relationship kay ako lagi mas nag-effort. Ako lagi sige adjust.
Yeah.
Which
Asa mo
sucks.
phone?
Kay,
Pakuno ko ba? Murag
which-
jud mi na sa balay.
which
Wag mi
really
podcast day.
which sucks kay it's not supposed to be like that. And then like nag-share online, nag-share kay nag-share like ako I came from
Yeah.
basta
I came
kanang
from the sa to ka kuan. Pure words pack ba to?
I came from the slums of Tondo, Manila. No, kanang I was in a long-term relationship, like very, very long-term. And then
and then
you'd and
that
that's-
shape you.
of
sometimes.
who I am today. Like, but
It helps you grow.
yeah, but dili ka makarealize mga throughout that relationship nga, grabe no? Like, sa katong uyab pa mo nga, okay, ni this is love. Gugma ni guys, gugma ni. But then it turns out, pagbuwag ninyo, ang grabe kanang murag, ako na lagi tanan. Pwede din na. Ay, na good. Yeah.
Yeah,
Next.
mga realizations na to, no? Another red flag would be
Mhm. Kanang
um,
mga kanang imong unsa tawag na kanang
akali obvious
true to
ni.
life,
Para
true to
na ako,
life.
obvious ni.
Unsa?
Kung napaka sa mga dating apps.
True. Because why would you be in a dating app if you're in
Ay,
a relationship?
kani mo ni. Kana yung ang excuse nila ba? Wala ko na-delete.
Hulo.
But the thing is, red flags na naka sa dating apps.
Mhm.
Kung
Yeah,
nasakpan
you
mo
sad kinahibawan gud nimo.
so naibaon mo ikaw. Pero
Mhm.
like, if your friends who are single and sees you on a dating app, that's wrong.
Yeah.
That's just wrong, cause
Go expound, explain.
di ko kaya ako yung mga
Mm.
put out na names.
You can expound like why?
But yeah, that's just wrong. That's like cheating even.
Yeah, it is. Kay,
That's part of emotional cheating.
kay why are you in a dating app? Like why
Yeah.
are you both in a dating app niya?
Mm.
Uyab di mo. Uyab di mo.
Basing dili.
Basing dili sila
Basing
uyab.
dili sila uyab.
Yeah.
Basing open relationship na na ron.
Huy, grabe sad.
Ay, mag-talk ta about that next time.
Sa unsa?
Different kinds of relationships.
Huy. Kuan. Sa ba may lain ha? Kanang very red flag yun ba? Kuan,
Physical abuse. Girl, kana na gyud murag. You should run. I was one. In one.
an abusee? No, abuser? No, you were not the abuser. You were
Abused.
abused.
Huh? Abusee.
You were, yeah, employee o employer. Mo na among one. Abusee siya.
I was an employee.
Lagi, grabe sad na.
Kana, like not
Physical
expand
abuse
on
na
that one,
gani nga.
yeah.
Makaingon na lang ka nga. Gisumbag siguro ko niya kay basin. You don't have to, yun. Like, ayaw
Or
nang
gituok de ko niya.
Yeah, iya di kong gisumbag kay. Like, don't stop like looking for reasons why. Gingato ka niya, uy, kay murag, na ang imong kuan, imong pag-reasoning nga. Grabe ang gugma, guys, nga, kanang gikulata na gani ka, you don't leave that person, but then again, we were young.
Very young.
Very young.
Yeah.
So,
But we're still young.
most na ayaw jud, like, stop. Ay na po pag-reasoning, uy, if gikulata na gani ka, hawa na po. But if you're,
Domestic
but
abuse.
if you're in that situation right now, this is your sign. Na ayun na.
Call help.
Yeah. Call 911.
Or, ano sa to? 311?
117? Unsa di ay?
Ano sa Pilipinas?
I don't know.
Well, 911 here in America.
117? I don't know.
911 siguro sa to i-search.
Kas try me actually, katong pag-udet, 911 ang mga
Tubag.
wala.
O, di ba? So, why 911? I-search daw.
911 lagi.
Daily lagi 911. Pinako 347.
475. Phone number di 0816. Kana ba like kanang ayaw nag-i-reason out na ing ani nga ay akong gisumbag kay ngani ay he did this
Sa
because
to?
of that, oh he's gonna do it because I did that too. Ayaw nag like stop thinking about like reasons na para to justify his actions.
Girl, it is 911.
It is, diba?
Since when?
Ka-try lagi me. It was Odette. And then, wala rin ni answer. Basta naghalinawag kay Bagyo man to. I don't know. It
Asa
was,
daw, since when? 911.
yeah. And then, another red flag is gone. Unsa man ha? I think nasturya naman na poor
Girl,
communication
bag-ora siya.
skills.
To cut it off, sorry.
Unsa?
August 1st, 2016 was
Mm.
launched. 911 was launched as the nationwide emergency hotline number by the Philippines National Police.
Yeah.
So,
In short,
2016,
In short,
2016 pa
PNP.
siya. Ano sa pala red flag? Umano to, di ba? Physical abuse. Ikaw, sige.
Kuan, controlling behavior.
Possessive.
Oh, like, do you find it cute na kanang, babe, ayo pag shorts kay, ana, dagay mo tanaw di mo or something.
I was in one like that. I like it.
Controlling na, di ba? It's,
Di siya controlling because
or, lahi ang controlling sa, o di ba, nag-reason out ta.
I actually like it.
There's mo gani, controversial because there are some na, dili lagi siya concerned ako, but it's different na ang imong pagsulti is out of control or out of concern.
Because, no, it's okay with like that. Kung possessive siya without physical abuse. Imagine kung possessive siya and nag-physical abuse ka kaya naging kang shorts. Like, that's a red flag. If it's combined, I guess. Or, gisagpa ka niya kaya tungod nihag ka sa imong friend nga lalaki. Yes, that's a possessive plus physical abuse. So I guess
Yeah.
if it's possessiveness plus physical abuse or
Mhm.
plus emotional abuse, I think it's not right.
Yeah.
But if it's just like they tell you, oh, ay pag short sa ginana ka, it's not respectable nimo, or I don't like it because some
people
other
will
man
look at
or
you.
like hit up on
Mo
you.
lagi na may uban na kanang mo gani it's different if kanang controlling siya nga or kanang out of concern nga kuan kay na may uban na musugot ra ba nga like juice
Oh, mag-dress kung kuanday, magpalda na talaga
like
yung
kanang
nakatas ka
pagkuan
diri.
like wear what you want inana ba
Yeah.
like in a unsa pa may
Oh,
lain
the possessiveness is just so wearing though. It's like you can't talk to your friends.
yeah don't talk
Especially
to
the
other
opposite sex,
yeah.
especially if you're in a
mo gani
straight
controlling
relationship.
behavior
Murag,
it's
or even in a gay relationship, murag ka nang, if they're controlling you to talk, not to talk to a specific person, that's like something.
is it a
not-
red flag for you if kanang mo na imong partner nga i-block na nga person
If there's a valid reason, it's
So,
not a red flag.
oh yeah
Because
that's true, I
what
agree.
if that's your ex and then they're still texting you?
Oh my
I would
gosh.
tell you block him.
yeah
Don't.
'Cause-
Why do you want to keep him in your life
yeah
if nag-ex na mo?
yeah
Like if it's valid, but if it's not valid, like it's example friends ta nakuuyab
Yeah.
nga babae or
Mhm,
whatever, and then moingon siya nako i-block sila. Why are you guys calling?
yeah
That's not reasonable.
yeah
Because like
Kay-
I've known you prior
Mhm,
to her,
prior to yeah
so it's not really like it doesn't
Agree.
it doesn't make sense. Ang blocking is na siya sa gray area.
yeah
It depends on who you're gonna block.
kay kana sad kay actually isa na sa main like turn around sa among relationship na kay kung ano ba siya very active
Mm.
active lifestyle and then this specific ex niya overshare di man niya overshare
Hindi siya sure. What's the names? Give
na
one.
siya specific ex na I really don't like na siya exes nga okay ra ko but this specific ex nga I really don't like this
Actually,
girl.
na jud mga exes ganahan.
Dil-
Oh my god, COVID girl.
di kanang you're kanang dili ka ganahan but kanang it's okay ana ba kanang you brush it off but kani siya na specific ex kay kuan mo gani siya murag na
Linta.
dili siya linta but when I
Squid
found
ink?
out about that like that ex then ako ni i-block please i-block na ana and then I think iyang gibuhat because I was just there I didn't know nga unsa whatever
Get block? Oh,
Yeah.
shoot.
Yeah, iyang gi-unblock.
Yeah, that's toxic.
Iyang gi-unblock.
That's what you call red flag right there.
Kay mo to, I was already here sa States ba. Unya, kanang active lifestyle na lagi. Pag active lifestyle, ni kahit kung ganun ni pop up ang name sa girl.
Mm.
So, oh my gosh. Like, tinuod yun na, dili arte-arte guys, but na-feel yun ako nga murag ni ana akong heart ba.
Woman's instinct.
Yeah. Like, kanang woman intuition or gut,
Intuition.
whatever.
Gut
But,
intuition.
like, grabe to siya nga kanang physical, good bitaw ang murag gikumot akong chest.
Mm.
Like, di siya OA pero na-feel yun ako. So, ako ba kayo murag, why did you disrespect me? Kaya nabi ako nga i-block na. And then it turns out, gi-unblock di ay because it's nothing. It's nothing for that. Like, it's nothing for you, but for me nga, murag, ningon bi ako nimo nga,
It's bothering
like,
you.
I'm not, ningon jud ko ni ato nga, it's not, kanang, I'm not comfortable nga nag-communicate mo. And then, it turns out, nga yung gi-unblock kay nothing ra, di ba? Mo dito nag-reply ang girls yung story, kinagkakita sila sa fun run. But it was just nothing.
Okay.
Guys, there was something mas mutong time nga na, di ba, wala mi nag-away mi. So nag-away mi because I found out about this ex nga gi-unblock niya. Ano, babe, sakit yung heart. Like, why did you do that to me? Ano, but masakit pa di ako nabuan. Katong,
Okay.
yeah.
Cut. Oh.
Kato, like,
But yeah, that was an example.
yeah. Di ba? Oversharing.
Sa totong example na to.
Oh, unsa to?
Di ba?
Ay, kato,
the
I asked you a question if it's a red flag for you if ipa-block na nga person.
Oh, yeah. Kato, mo to ko ang take on
Yeah,
it.
if there's a valid reason, then
If there's a valid
No, it's
reason and
not.
it's in the gut feeling of your partner or gut feeling Nemo, they need to be blocked and not be communicating with your partner. Yes,
yeah.
you should block that person.
Another red flag.
Oh, no. The red flag is if they don't block them.
Yeah.
That's the red flag.
Kay for wala kita kong gingon, for them it's nothing, but for you kay you felt that way because of something nga. Na jud ba yatay mga kita mga girls na bigit tay mga gut feeling nga natay
Gut,
intuition.
probiotic.
Like inana ba? Unya,
Okay ka ba, Chan?
nya another red flag ko nang ni coincide to ato na topic is kato kung ako siya balik nga being way too friendly with
With the ex.
no, not ex, like with some people. Like different man ang social
So red
butterfly.
flag na.
Para nako, slightly yellow siguro, no? I don't know.
Yellow,
Para nako kay, based on my experience, kay red flag siya for me kay, different if you're a social butterfly. Kay, ang social butterfly kay, sige, ibilinti ka ani nga group of people, that partner can easily talk to a lot of people. Pero kanang overly friendly nga, uy, inana, and then, wala, para nako kay red flag siya. Kay, kanang murag you're allowing that person like to get to know another person like deeper, in a deeper level, in a deeper sense, and then wala siya, ang ending kay mag-cheat pa.
Balik mo sa top 1, di ba?
Yeah, muna siya. Kay muna na, based on experience ako, like kanang, for example, nag-hangout mo and then the next day, ay close na kami ani niya. The next day kay hatod na. Or nga na ba? Like the next day, it's fine kay suod naman mi.
The next day, di naka-reply yan.
Oh.
Nagsinulog
festival niya, di naka-reply yan.
Oh my God! Too much. Okay.
Kana ba? Like, kanang, parang ako red flag ang being way too friendly nga. Kanang, na mo chat, reply yan. Kay, for what? Like, I don't know. If nasa message request, then let it stay there. Nganong, why will you allow that kanang conversation to go further if, whatever. Anyway, muna siya. Do you have any other red flags that you can think of?
Wala na.
Okay. Muna siya. Ang next part is like, unsay mo na realize. Like, sa kato na, like sa tanan ni mo na agian through that relationship. Like,
Be careful with your heart. Oh, don't give it all.
Ako kay lahi ko. Kay for me, kuan siya, moment akong ingon per me.
Which is hard for me actually.
Yeah. Akong ingon manggod kay dili mo siya advice na. But lahi ta. Like unsa imong na-realize like throughout example that past relationships or situationships. Like unsa mo na-realize na ingan ni Daddy.
Don't fly into another country for a person. Kana.
Or don't let
Actually, I will still do it again.
Yeah, of
Toxic.
course. If it's
But no,
love,
if it's love, yes. But
yeah, for sure.
for the right person, I guess.
Yeah.
Don't do it because for the plot only.
Oh.
I did it for the plot.
Pwede pa
The
for
plot
the
was
plot.
nice.
Sige lang, for the plot. Sige na lang.
The plot was nice.
Yeah. Ako kay kuan, kato kong gingon bitaw nga stop like justifying their actions. Like
Yeah, just stop making excuses for them.
yeah, cuz in the end ikaw ra gyud ang ano alkansi in the end kay ikaw ang alkansi kay
Kay the end.
yeah, kay like this is why he's like this because of that. This is why I'm like this because he did. Merg, instead of like kanang makarealize ka ba sa kabati ato na relationship kay madugay no ng relationships.
Yeah.
Kay you tolerate imo man
Pero
i-tolerate.
tinood ba nang kanang dili basihan ang love ninyo sa unsa mo kadugay? Or
That's so true.
because remember Mariel Rodriguez, nagpakasal ba sa diretso ni Robin?
Ni Robin.
And they're still together and they have kids.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter if like 10 years, 11 years na mo, that will be the person who you
Nine.
will end it. Yeah, 9. that will be the person who you will end with.
Yeah.
'Cause sometimes the person you knew 5, 4, 1 week is
yeah.
much more better or much more capable of loving you more.
Yeah. Like it's so hard.
Honest.
Yeah.
In honesty
Mhm.
na love.
Bitaw. Kay tinubi na lang like kanang makita na to sa uban nga uy gikan siya long-term relationship and then the next relationship oh my gosh engaged na sila dayon.
Yeah. Oh, girl, I know some. Di tama sa pangalan. No name dropping.
Like inana ba like kanang it's like you're just building that person for another person.
Dili ako ay. Nagpakasal sila ng anak.
Hoy!
Okay.
Yeah, but ano ba kanang you're just building that person for another person. Which is really sad.
Build a Barbie doll.
You want to build someone. Yeah, kay kanang sad kayo kay
Build a bear.
kanang you've been trying to pour everything out in this relationship and then in the end it didn't work out. So
Kung ano di ka,
ang imo siyang gibuild for another person. So in ang next niyang relationship, this is why they got engaged because he's so much better because of us.
So thank us, girl. Whoever you are, thank us.
Like kanang
I'll go back to Germany. Thank us.
like kanang it's muna siya ang realizations niya. Daily jud ba ka-realize nga mo din siya sa relationship kay you were in that relationship, you were so kanang so in love and everything. Unya kanang kuyawan ko. Kanang you were so in love nga dili ka maka-realize ba nga okay. Makuyawan ko uy. Inana. Wala na ako realizations nga kanang sa to basta mo na siya kanang stop justifying their actions, stop making excuses for them. Onya.
Oh my god. Si Colin.
Si Colin. Di mo open?
Ayun lang.
Okay.
Habit na naman.
Habit na. Kana, unsa pa may line realizations? Because after this game mo, hatag advice.
Advice
We're
na.
not
Wala
gonna-
ka realization.
Dili ta mo hatag advice nila, like, advice for ourselves na lang kay basta nila, feel like, who are you to give me an advice?
Ako yung advice akong self.
Ay,
Be-
what advice would you give me? Like, knowing me, ato na relationship kayo. Kichera biya ka.
Ano na lang.
Mhm.
Kung advice ni mo, no? Find a man that
Ay,
will
hilak.
serve you.
Really?
Yeah. You serve a lot of people, girl. You need to be served.
Yeah. True.
Kailangan ka... So, meaning, mag-date kag butler.
Kanang ano ba? Ano to? Really?
Yeah, you need a man to serve you, girl.
Yeah. Hopefully.
Yeah, muna ang paita. So, ganun yung mga server, paitawa na sila. Punta tag restaurant, uy, giservan ko.
Ako, for you, siguro is kanang, do not overgive. Do not overlove. Pagdira si Musaf, madam.
Nanako yung savings.
Sa muga. Like, kaning sa day, kanang love yourself first. Kay,
Yeah.
kay if you don't love yourself, kanang,
You love others.
diba? If you don't love yourself, you're gonna look for that, like, void sa other person.
Yeah.
Which is mo nang reason why na kanang ni-overgive ka, you overgive that with everything kay you don't feel it sa imong self ba. So,
You have a void.
yeah, mangita kag void cause you really can't feel it. Like walay nihatag nimo like you don't love yourself. So, mangita na lang kag person nga. And then that's why nga kanang taas imong expectations. Cause again, we can do like unsa pa na whatever for
Above
that.
and beyond.
Yeah, above and beyond for that person. And
Girl, I
then,
did.
yeah.
I hope karma is listening.
Muna, like ayaw overgive and then kana basta ka kung advice nimo.
Ako simple no kay served.
Yeah, unya ko sad kanang
Ano ka nagan pa din upcoming.
like kanang like you love yourself, do not overgive, do not like you can overlove but ayaw sad overly uy.
Na ba over?
Kanang when you fall in love, don't forget about yourself.
When you fall
Don't forget about yourself, yun. Okay?
It will be
Like,
forever.
Kanang don't forget about yourself. Okay? You
Sometimes
tend to,
you do.
Yeah, you tend to like kana day for both of us like i-prioritize it atong self. Okay? We always prioritize another person's like whatever
Feelings.
sanity, feelings, everything.
Yeah.
Nya kita ubos na atong love tank, madam.
Manang gingunday, gitamag-tamakan lang ta.
Isugot man sad ta.
Yeah, basahan man ni girl.
Isugot man sad ta.
Gilabhan me. It's what you call character building.
Yeah.
Or what you?
Character development?
Development.
Building?
Building. So I hope namoy na learn or na-entertain mo sa amuang topics today. Boring man gani, let us know because I don't know.
Or if naabot mo sa end, okay,
Congratulations.
Comment og smiley. If not, wala jud ni tanaw. Okay, wala ni comment og smiley.
Oy, tanusod mo. Oy, please.
Tanusod mo. Wala isa sa mga friends. Like, I hope ka nang you namoy na-realize, namoy take away ani nga.
Hatalingaw mo while
Yeah.
you're doing some other stuff.
Yeah, I hope na human mog panglaba, girl. I hope na human mog
Naka-drive mo safely.
I hope nakakahuman mog pamilo in Tagalog pa. I hope nakatupi kayo ng maayos.
Oh, shit.
That's fine.
Baya.
I hope nakapag ano kayo.
Oh, if any of you has an extra, list of whatever green flags, yellow flags, beige flags, red flags, yeah, list it down below.
Or comment down below like any other topics that we can.
Yeah. Kani. I want horror topics.
Again.
Horror topics. Mag-horror.
But can we not film it here?
Mag-horror.
Can we not film it here?
Girl.
Can we not film it here?
Yeah, pero we're gonna have kodigo.
Yeah.
Like kanang murag no, like dili siya I guess real life siya, but like Anyways,
yeah, I hope you had hala wala na English.
you had fun.
I hope you had fun. I hope you realized something or at least
someone.
Or if you're in a toxic relationship right now, I
Let it go.
hope this is a good podcast for you na you can realize na
Let it go, girl.
I should
Go.
let it go.
Let it go.
Yeah.
This has been Ambot Lang Pod.
Kang kabalutan si sakto per buhaton ba nato?
Ambot lang gyud. Okay na to siya. Ambot lang gyud para ako.
Yeah.
Ambot lang gyud. See you later, guys.
See you next episode.
Thank you. Subscribe, like, comments, share
Yes.
to everybody. Au revoir.